To use the pivot table, execute the following step. Click any single cell inside the data set. On the Insert tab, in this table group, click on the pivot table. Then this dialog box may appear, and Excel automatically select the data range for you. Now you have a two option. You can use the new worksheet and you also have an option of using the existing worksheet. So I'm here going to use the new worksheet. Click OK. This pivot table field panel appear. Now here I'm using the sales data and I want to see the product wise revenue. For that, I'm going to use this product field, drag into the row, and then revenue in the value field. Here I can clearly see the product wise revenue. Now if you want to format this, it is looking in a decimal point, so you want to, I want to format this, click here, format cell, number, 0 decimal, click OK. So now it is looking pretty good. And now I want to see the more detail of it. I want to see in which region there is a more sales. So drag this region field into the column so I can clearly see the region wise data. Okay, and I can, and if you want, you can sort this data. Just click here and then largest to smallest, and you can see the north is doing pretty good here. And if you want, you can see this data in the chart format also. For that, just click here in the table and in the insert tab, and if you're new to the Excel, so I recommend you to use this recommend chart here. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Click OK here. Okay, so now in this chart I don't want to see this line. Just click here and delete. I don't want to this number also. I want that number to show here, so just click on the bar, then plus sign, data label. Okay, and I don't want to see this, so hide this button and this button as well. Okay, so see, that's so simple. By using a pivot table, you can easily analyze your data. It's just a simple drag and drop. Thank you very much.